Hi, my name is KV Meghana. I hold a Master of Sciences specialized in applied genetics with over a year of experience working as a medical reviewer in Omega Healthcare, where I have honed skills in medical data abstraction from electronic health records, mainly genetics. I used to review the genetic test reports and I used to curate the genetic test results by identifying their alterations and variants from different types of leading testing companies for various types of cancers. It might be solid type or liquid type, like lung cancer, ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and also like CLL, all the heme cancers too. And also we used to curate the chemotherapy related things like adverse events which might be affected from the chemotherapy, and so on other medical data elements in this. Additional to my professional experience, I have also published an research paper in International Journal of Sciences about the neurodegeneration, where I applied genetics in Drosophila models. And also I worked as a genetic counselor intern at Clinical Genetics Department in Narayana Hrudaya Hospital. And at present, currently I am pursuing a Bioinformatics certified course in Biotecnika, which have provided valuable insights from great highly qualified instructors. Coming to the Biotecnika YouTube channel, I learned a lot from my studies, such as it is a best resource particularly for the life science students. Finally, I want to thank Shekhar sir for your continued guidance in shaping our career. Thank you.